Hey, thanks so much for tuning in to Hand Washing Source 55 Plus with your host, Mya Yordan, sponsored by Hand Washing Together. Today I'm going to be focusing on hand hygiene among the geriatric population, focusing on Sumter County, Florida, the largest county in the United States where more than half, 52.9% of residents, are 65 and above. Hold on, I know you're probably thinking, I don't need this. I know how to wash my hands. But did you know only about 5% of people wash their hands correctly? That's right, 5%. Give me 5 minutes of your time to help you not become part of the other 95% that don't wash their hands correctly. First things first, how is proper hand washing done? It's a simple 5-step process. Step 1. Wash your hands under some water. Step 2, grab your soap, pump that soap. And step 3, you want to scrub. You know what I like to do? I like to sing the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You know why? Because that gives me the recommended amount of at least 20 seconds of scrubbing. Step 4, you want to rinse that soap that you just scrubbed all over your hands, nice and rinsed. And then you want to dry them with a nice, clean towel. Global Hand Washing Day is October 15th. Sumter County, Florida invites all those 55 plus to celebrate Global Hand Washing Day. There will be a fun, educational, and informative event to help all understand the importance of hand hygiene. This is going to be the Global Hand Washing Weekend, Friday, October 15th. Through Sunday, October 17th, in front of Board of County Commissioners. The address is 7375 Powell Road, Wildwood, Florida, 34785. It's going to be an all-day event, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. East Standard Time. We'd love to see you there. Did you know, on average, you come into contact with 300 surfaces every 30 minutes, exposing you to 840,000 germs? Also, up to 80% of communicable diseases are transferred by touch. Another fun fact, CDC states only 5% of individuals practice proper hand hygiene practices. That's why we learned how to wash our hands today. I have Linda Parkerson here, who has an unfortunate experience with a lack of knowledge towards this important subject of proper hand hygiene. She wants to share with you her experience to spread awareness. Linda, thank you so much for being here. Share away. The floor is yours.
Thank you so much for having me today, Mia. I had the unfortunate experience of having a very sick grandchild due to the lack of education my family had on hand hygiene. My daughter let loved ones, friends, and others lovingly carry my grandchild without the thought of hand hygiene. Within hours, my grandchild had developed a fever, runny nose, and nasty cough. Little did we know my newborn great baby grandboy just developed pneumonia. Those weeks were some of the most frightening instances we as a family have ever had. When the doctor educated us about proper hand hygiene practices and when handling a newborn, one should always wash hands to help prevent illness. My eyes were opened on the importance of proper hand hygiene and the positive effects hand hygiene has on the spread of horrible, life-threatening diseases as well as viruses.
Linda, thank you so much for sharing that. I think it's always easy to forget the importance of hand hygiene and how important washing hands is. And luckily with the COVID pandemic, unfortunately, we have had to learn the hard way how important hand hygiene is and how washing hands properly can help stop or prevent these diseases from spreading further and affecting our loved ones and many, many others that we don't even know. Okay, so why am I telling you this? Because you can help with this change. By following those simple 5 steps, by simply talking about hand hygiene with loved ones, with your friends, This can spread so much awareness. And listen back to this podcast. Share it with your friends. Share it with your families to help them understand the importance of spreading this awareness and how washing hands can help prevent the spread of so many diseases and help prevent the loss of so many loved ones. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your week, and I hope you guys tune into Hand Washing Source 55 Plus with your host, Mya Yordan, sponsored by Handwashing Together soon. Have a beautiful rest of your night. We will talk soon.
Here are some alternate songs you can sing while washing your hands. Here I go, here I go, here I go again, guys. What you washing? Hands! Yeah, you be scrubbing, rubbing, disinfecting. Use the hot water cause it's more effective. Can't forget to get the back of your hands, no. So what you wanna do? What you wanna do? I wanna soap it up, soap it up, soap it up, hands. Don't be touching hands. Please don't be reaching out. Don't be touching me, and I won't touch you. Hand washing time. Get the soap into a...
Thought you guys might like that. If you guys want that, that is on YouTube Music, 20-second parodies, the Holderness Family. Thank you once again. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. We will talk soon. Bye.